can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today, as you guys just saw by the title, we do have a lot of boxes to get through. I have some TNF up in here. I have some week 2 items if I'm not mistaken, and I have some brand stuff that I feel like is super fire, and I do want to get through all of it for you guys today. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Comment what your favorite piece that I picked up is. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So I'm kind of gonna try and do this in chronological order. I'm gonna start with week 2 and work my way up to the last package that I did manage to cook up. But right here we have our first package from week 2, and here we have a box logo sticker, which is honestly typical. I really would have wished they would have sent me like a poncho, maybe a sticker pack, but hey, they being stingy this season. Right here we have the Stars incense burner. I'm not a person who burns incense too much, but hey, when it comes to Supreme, you gotta just say fuck it and just go with it. I'm gonna end up opening this for you guys mainly, but I just feel like it's a really cool piece, and I love when Supreme does these different type of accessories. I did manage to get this in the black colorway. As you can see, it has the Supreme box logo on the front. It says Supreme MFG on the back. I wonder what the MFG stands for, but that's neither here nor there. Let's pop this open. It's actually magnetic, which is pretty cool. Then you have like this stick, which I'm assuming is like the little holder thing. Nothing too special, not gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna just leave this shit right here because it's not really too important to me. Incense burner right there. As you can see, that was the first item. In this package we have one more item, which is this Supreme transparent lock. I'm gonna take it out the packaging for you guys. I feel like this one right here is actually a super clean item, but it's not really essential because if you use this, it's pretty easy to pick this shit because you can see everything that goes on in it. Right here we do have the lock though in itself. It comes like in this little case, which is actually pretty cool. Pop this open, and here you have the little keys. As you can see, it has a box logo on the key in itself, which is actually clean. You have 2 keys, and the last thing you do have is the lock. It has the box logo right there dead in center. Then you can see like when the keys push up on the actual lock. I'm gonna try to open it for you guys right here. You can kind of see the little clips, and then it just pops open. It's actually pretty fire. I love this accessory right here. Like I said before, it's non-essential, but it's just a clean accessory to have in the collection. Next up, we do have another package from week 2, and this is an item that low-key I wanted since the first time I saw the lookbook. I always thought this shit was fire, and it is this City Lights rayon shirt. I typically do not buy button-ups from Supreme. If you've seen me cop Supreme for the past 2 to 3 years now, you will know that this is not something that I go for. I typically try to stick to tees, hoodies, and that's it, low key. But right here I did think this shit was fire, so I had to go ahead and scoop this up. Fire piece nonetheless. As you guys can see right here, this shit is hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this is a fire ass piece, especially for the summertime. It's actually really great quality as well, so I will definitely be using this. You got the GW on the back right there with the Supreme branding. You got more Supreme branding on the front. Definitely a fire ass piece, and I will be putting this together with an outfit for the summertime, hands down. I feel like you can pull this off with a lot of different things. One of my favorite parts is the fact that it has the World Trade Center right on the front. Fire as fuck. I definitely do like this piece, and I also was a big fan of the jacket as well, but that price on the jacket was too steep, so we settled for the button up, which was not as bad. Next up, we have a package from one of the sponsors of this video, and it is Shop New. They definitely hooked me up with this pair of kicks right here, and it's like more of a designer feel on the pair of sneakers. This is Garment Project, as you can see right there. They have a whole bunch of different brands on their website, and it's actually fire that they sent me these. I'm definitely a big fan. This is like a clunky style dad sneaker. It kind of gives me like Chanel runner vibes or like Balenciaga runner vibes. As you can see, you got the clunky ass sole on it right there. It has like these designer vibes. I don't know how to explain it, but it's definitely clean. It even says Garment Project on the laces right there. These are at a pretty good price. I feel like you could get some of these pieces for the price that they're not even worth. This is a fire ass pair of kicks. Once again, shout out to Shop New for sending these out. I know there's a whole lot of shit going on in the world right now. Major shout out to Shop New for these kicks right here. Definitely looking forward to working with you guys again. If I do have a promo code for their website, I will definitely put it in the description or right here on the video. Fire ass pair of of sneakers. I feel like you could wear this with so many things. Some blue denim, distressed, some Amiri style denim if you can't afford Amiri. Just a whole bunch of shit. Fire ass pair of kicks right here. Major shout out to Shop New. But let's go ahead and get into the next package. Right here we have another Supreme package. You know how we come in. A whole bunch of Supreme going on. We have 2 box logo stickers to start off this box. I feel like they've been lazy with the stickers, not gonna lie, but we do have this North Face shoulder bag. I'm gonna take it out the package because you can't even see this shit. Pull up the whole damn seal. I'm gonna take this out. Bang. I'm not gonna lie, this one is actually heavier than any other shoulder bag I've gotten, and I'm pretty sure it's because it has like these metal clasps. Definitely a clean piece. I feel like you could strap this on your belt, which is fire. It has the Supreme TNF branding on the front. As you can see, it's actually sewn in, which is a really clean touch. I like the fact that it's not a patch sewn in around the edges. It's actually embroidered on the piece. This is a fire piece. At first I was debating on buying this. It's not that bad. Open it up. I might do a review on this if you guys are interested. You have the Supreme tag right here on the side. This is more like an organizer. You could put your cards in here. This shit is big as hell to fit in your pocket. You could put a whole bunch of stuff in here. It even has like this compartment on the side. Oh, this is ass. I'm not gonna lie, the little strap that you get with it is kind of ass. The strap is more like a lanyard type thin ass. You can see right here, it's like mad thin. Pretty much that's it for the bag. It's not that bad, nothing too special though, not gonna lie. I do like the fact that they use metal clasps, but then the strap in itself is ass, so it kind of throws it off at the same time. Right here we do have a fire ass pickup. I feel like this season I've been buying hella hats. Like I've been racking up on the hats, and I was never the type of person to buy like an actual hat from Supreme, only beanies. And this season I feel like I've been doing pretty good when it comes to buying 6 panels, because that's what I actually love. We have this S logo. This shit is fire. It's like a washed blue. It kind of looks like they've been wearing this shit for like 2 years and they just shipped it out. As you can see right here, it's like a washed blue royal, I guess, denim looking ass hat, but it does look pretty clean if I'm gonna say so myself. I feel like I would actually wear this one. You got that S on the front right there, Supreme on the back, as you can see. Definitely a fire ass piece. This is another hat that I probably will keep in the regular rotation. I'm a hat lover. We got some new hats. As you can see right there, we got the military camp cap, which is fire. We got the S logo right here to add to the collection. We got these 2 pieces that my homie from Ghetto Exylon sent me. We got this logo on the front, as you can see, which is like this hood pastor in a way with like barbed wire. Then you have the mesh on the back. It's like a trucker hat if I'm not mistaken. Got the fire branding on the front. You like the piece in general, and I will be wearing it in the summertime. I feel like it lets your head breathe in the back. Got the fire branding on the front, and then you got the mesh on the back for the breathability. We also do have this shirt that he sent me. I feel like this is like a holographic type feel on it. Ooh, the cotton actually feels pretty good on this tee. It's like a soft cotton, breathable for like the summertime, and as you can see, it has like this holographic metallic vibe going on. It does say Ghetto Exylon dead on the front. Shout out to my homie from Ghetto Exylon. I'm gonna link him right here. Pop his tag if you need it. Go ahead and check out their Instagram if you are interested in some of these pieces. They actually do have a lot of heat coming out, so stay tuned. Definitely fire. Major shout out to you guys out there for supporting the channel. Now we about to get into the last piece, the big baby. We about to get into this shit that cost me the whole bank. Like, this is what we about to talk about right now. 2 more regular box logos. They've been hoeing me with the stickers this season, I'm not gonna lie. Low-key, I'm gonna have to buy that blink sticker. I know I've been talking about it, but I'm gonna need that. We do have this TNF. This shit is heavy, bro. I'm gonna pop the seal on this one, but I'm gonna try and keep it as new as possible so it's still dead stock. I'm a huge fan. This is the 2nd TNF that I'm actually able to cop. I did sell the first one that I got, and honestly, I do not regret it. This shit is fire, bro. You got the Gore-Tex branding, TNF branding on the front. Then you got the vest that has like the strap on it that says Supreme TNF on it. The vest has Supreme branding. You have the RTG branding right there on the sleeve. You have more branding on the back of the vest. It says RTG. Then it says TNF Supreme right there, as you can see. On the other sleeve, it says Supreme TNF as well. There's a lot of branding on this jacket simply because it is a vest and then it is a jacket as well. Super clean. I'm a fan of the fact that they use gray rather than black because it kind of gives it a little bit of a better vibe. It's just a fire piece. If you guys would like a full review on this piece, go ahead and let me know because I will get that out for you guys. But the vest is fire, bro. That's honestly my favorite piece of this jacket. It's it's the vest, but this is clean. I might just throw it on for y'all real quick. Let's see how this shit looks on body. As you can see, you got that Supreme branding on the front. You got that TNF big boy vibes on the jacket. This is definitely a fire ass jacket. I don't know if it's worth the price of $800, but this shit is fire if I'm gonna say so myself. Low key, I'm gonna have to think about if I really want to sell this shit, because I feel like the vest is so hard, bro, and the jacket itself is actually pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie. I might go ahead and keep this shit for the personal, but that's something that I'm gonna have to talk to my pockets about. But if you did end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And make sure you check out Astro Bodega if you're trying to enter in this raffle. We got a couple raffles going live right now. I feel like this American picture tee might almost be full, but the mercenary tee is still up and running. If you guys are interested in some raffles, make sure you go ahead and check out Astro Bodega. But without any further ado, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.